Hi, I'm Scott with Recon Tactical. Thanks for joining us. Today we're here to introduce our 5 most popular pouches from our HSLD, high speed, low drag, modular pouch line. All of our pouches are 100% MOLLE compatible. They could fit anywhere you have MOLLE webbing. First, we're going to start off with our single quick release magazine pouch. Holds one standard 30 round M4 magazine. Has a quick release bungee retention, as a lot of you have seen. One of the main differences between our pouch and what you're used to is our pouches are made from 1000 denier Cordura nylon. Yours are only 500 denier Cordura nylon. This means longer life in your magazine pouch. Also, they're not going to fail as quick. A lot of them, the ends will tear. Not with 1000 denier. It takes a lot more to eat through this stuff. Another key feature of all of our magazine pouches we want to introduce to you is our pouches are designed around what's going inside of them. This way, they're not too tight and too snug. One of the main problems with this style magazine out there is they're too tight. There is too much of a problem trying to pull the magazine out. There's just more tension. It's harder to get them in, harder to get them out. With ours, as you can see, very smooth and fluid. No drag. Very high speed. We designed our pouches to catch up to you guys. Moving on, we've got our double M4 magazine pouch. Holds 2 standard 30 round M4 M16 magazines. Again, note how our flap is designed around the magazine. This adds for stealth. It's slimmer, no catch points, no huge thick flap that goes over made out of webbing. This, all 1000 denier Cordura nylon again. We've got an elongated pull tab. You could just simply stick your finger right on in, open and close. Very quick and easy. No more pulling down, grabbing a tiny pull tab that faces down, and then pulling up. This pull tab is there to greet you immediately. You just go down, rip right on up. Notice there's no 2-inch elastic webbing to compress the magazine pouch around the magazines. Again, we designed the pouch around the magazines. So we still have fluid and smooth magazine draws. No rattling. Let's close that up and hold it by the webbing in the back. No noise. Don't have to worry about that. But it's still fluid and smooth. Moving over, we've got the single quick release kangaroo pouch. Similar to the first magazine pouch we showed you, it has the bungee retention to keep the magazine in. Don't have to worry about making the pouch too tight. So we still have high speed and low drag. Very simple and easy. Also, we've got an elongated pull tab in the front. No webbing for a flap. Contoured, slim, streamlined, gives a lower profile. And we're not breaking up your camouflage pattern as much. That's the point of camouflage, to keep it there, blend it on in. Got an elongated pull tab, rip right open. Or, again, the tab is right there. It greets you. That equals your high speed, low drag again, just with opening and closing the pouch. Holds a standard double stack or single stack magazine, 40 cal, 45, 9mm, your choice. Again, we design around it. No elastic bungee retention holding this in. Now we're moving on to our double staggered quick release magazine pouch. Similar to the kangaroo and the single quick release, this one holds 2. We've got a staggered effect here just for ease. We're taking the visual on all of our pouches away from you guys. This way you can concentrate and keep your eyes on your target and just simply go down, find your magazine. No brainer. High speed, low drag once again. None of these pouches have been broken in. Most magazine pouches like this are broken in over a period of time in use and putting them in and out. These, right off the floor, every pull is fluid and smooth. No MOLLE webbing on the front, nice and clean. We do make it with MOLLE webbing. Your tension is done right in the back by knotting it. You can make it as tight or as loose as you want. Last but certainly not least, is our 50-ounce Recon hydrator. What we're doing here is we're taking the huge 100-ounce hydration pack off the small of your back, going right down your spine. Makes it difficult to get in and out of vehicles. You can't really get small up against a wall and take cover. It's pushing you away. We want to remove this. By taking this off your back, you could also use a backpack when you need to. You could also drop your backpack and not worry about losing your water. 100% MOLLE compatible, still made with 1,000 denier Cordura nylon. Also want you to note the binding on all of our edges. There is no binding tape. We use 1,000 denier Cordura, the same material to keep your camouflage pattern in there. Got the elongated pull tab. This comes with and without MOLLE webbing. Can be situated anywhere on your body armor that you have MOLLE webbing. The most effective place we've seen it is on your kidney area. One on the left kidney, one on the right. You're good to go. Keeps your core balanced. Keeps 100 ounces of water on you at any given time. I want you to take a peek at the hydration bladder. This is actually really cool. Unlike the hydration bladders that you're looking for, these are not made from microban. These are made with a different material that is actually 100% antimicrobial. Nothing adheres and sticks to this material. Most microbans that are out there, they're porous, and after time, things will stick to it. Bacteria, if you're using an electrolyte drink like Gatorade or Powerade, it will stick to the inside if it's sitting there too long. You'll also notice that we have no fill cap on the top here. Much easier to clean and fill. You do not need a cleaning kit to clean this out. Simply unzip the top. You could slide your entire hand right in here, wipe it out. You're good to go. We also have a quick release button right here which ejects the tube. No water will come out at you. You can run with one tube while wearing two of these packs. Pop it, stick it right into the other one. One tube, two hydro packs. Very simple and easy to fill this. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to slide this right on off. We've got the catch cord, so you don't have to worry about balancing that or holding it. Simply open this on up and fill away. You can use a fill truck, bottles, hoses, other bladders, your choice. Again, stick your hand right in, clean the whole thing out. There's no balancing act to really hold this either. Simply fold it up. Bring your slider back on over. Easier for me with the right hand. Slide it on over. And close it on up. There you go. You can hang it upside down. Squeeze it. We've dropped it. Thrown it. The other thing I want you to take a peek at is our tube cover. No more neoprene. Much more streamlined, thinner, more subdued. IR reflectant, 100% UV protectant. We also have a cap with a catch cord on it, so you can't lose a cap, and a bite me valve. Please feel free to contact us at 860-677-8202 or visit us on the web at www.recon-tactical.com. We'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks for joining us, and catch our next video where we're going to have these on the chest rig.